commission this project to the glory of God and to the welfare and good use of the community and our people here. Amen. Amen. On this day, 11 September 2023, to the glory to God be the glory. Amen.
The national anthem.
Paco, may you so rest in perfect peace. Please, you can sit down. Today, we are in a very special place, Mbodoa, in Rubolumene, in Obiakpo, and also in River State. It is special because it's a community linking Rubolumene. It's a community linking Rubeprikon. It's a community that is important to our leader, the immediate past governor, and also the minister of the Federal Capital Territory. This community is important because I remember that when we were appealing, seeking for support, we came here especially to campaign, and we campaigned by promising the good people of Ubodua that we will embark on this project. And he assured you people that my successor will complete it and commission it. So we are here today to bring alive that promise that was made that day, and that promise has been kept today. For we as a government, our mantra is consolidation and continuity. We will continue to consolidate on every good project, every noble idea initiated. We will give all the necessary support to see that they continue to come to life. Because at the end of the day, it is our people. It is for our people. And these people are the people who, when they are not behind us, we are nothing. And when they are with us, we are mighty and strong. So I want to thank you, people. Let me use this opportunity to thank the Obiakpo. I've done it the other day, and let me do it again. Especially for the support you gave to our dear party, the People's Democratic Party. You supported us. We won our election. We will continue to do everything within our power, within our available resources to put smiles in the faces of the Obiakpo people. Let me say this. I know that you now say it's only Obiakpo I'm talking about, the good people of River State. Everybody will smile, on a lighter note. But today, we're happy because what is important in government is when somebody takes over, are the people happy? The people are happy because we are doing what you people want.
Yes, sir.
And that thing that you want is making you happy, putting smiles on your faces, making life easy for you. We will continue to do it. We will not relent in that, our drive. Let me, I talk more like an administrator, not too much like a politician. When we want to do the political one, I will invite my guy from Abuja to come and do the political one. So let me limit it to the administrative one. But in all, everybody needs to come together, work together to sustain peace and respect for this state. I need to say this because I believe this is a live broadcast. Any traditional ruler, be it even from my place, who is supporting cultism that is beginning to be a problem in our state, I assure you, as I've started with the holder, East, I will come after you. Let me on this note invite the leaders, the good people of our state to join me as we commission this project to the glory of God.